So if you remember, there was a shower, and then there was a tub, and there was that glass behind the tub. Now, the transformation is unreal. For the bathroom, we've got double sinks, and what we're actually doing is we're gonna be getting rid of, well, we got rid of it already, but the tub is gone. So what we're doing is you can see here that he's got his laser pointer, and what he's actually doing is creating a new wall. The new wall will be located right where that red line is. So we're gonna go as close to that black pipe as possible. The shower is just about complete. They've drilled in for the glass that's gonna go in. We're just waiting on the glass as well as the hardware, and then the shower is complete. We have 2 shower heads as well as a flush rain shower head. What I mean by flush is it's completely flat to the ceiling so that it doesn't actually come down or take up any headspace. So that's a great solution if you have low ceilings, but you still want to have a rain shower. Your control will be from here. So this will control, it's a 4-way diverter. 4-way meaning 1, 2, 3 is the massive rain head, which is actually going to be flush to the ceiling. And the 4th one is going to be a spray, which will allow you to clean the shower. We've also gone with a quartz waterfall bench. Waterfall meaning the slab goes from the top and then it's mitered at the corner, which means it joins at the corner and then it goes down. So that way, most often times you'll see benches that are tiled on one side or tile at the top. This just makes for a nice look. We've also gone ahead with this beautiful product niche. So for those of you that typically put your products in the corner of your bathtub, you can do something like this to create a little bit more space for storage, but also something that is aesthetically pleasing. And then from this point onwards, we will have a floating vanity with 2 sinks and some storage in the middle, and then we'll have a mirror going all the way across. We've also purchased a pendant for this area here, so we'll have 3 pendant lights. I didn't want to do the fixture on top of the mirror just because I feel like the pendants will give it a little bit more interest. Typically, the mirror in your bathroom will be a framed mirror, or it'll be a regular mirror, but this mirror is something else because it goes from wall to wall, it goes from the countertop all the way to the ceiling, and the best part about it is that the faucet comes right out of the mirror, so it actually makes the space feel a lot larger because of all the reflection. And then in the water closet, it's almost got its own feel because it also has the textural element of this tile, and it really just makes you want to touch the wall. We've also gone ahead with a niche behind the toilet, so to make this room feel a little bit larger and a little more spacious, we pushed back this wall slightly and added a really nice floral with the blush and burgundy colors, which you're going to see in the rest of the master bathroom. So once the mirror goes in, the faucets are going to go in, the sinks are going to go in, and the pendants will go in, and this bathroom will be done.